and this is here's Nivedan.
Hello.
And Sriram.
Hello.
And we are very glad to present our topic on alumni management information system. And this is very useful system in case, and we can store the informations on alumni, the past and the current informations. And I ask Nivedan to present further more information about our project.
Here I am explaining our advantages of our project. It reduces manual work. It acts as a bridge between alumni and upcoming generation. Here, my friends.
Hi everyone, let me show our project. In our project, first of all, we want to add our alumni by entering the alumni name and his father name. And date of birth. And his phone number. For example, here I am giving like this. And his email ID. And stream pass means his subject he taken. And pause here. I choose this here. Just qualification. City. Country is residing. Self-employed. Now the information was added successfully. Press any key to continue. And if you want to see that information, you have to go to report alumni menu. Here we want to search according to, and searching according to alumni list. Then here the list is. We can add like this as many as data, and also we can correct the data in the menu. In the menu by modify alumni menu. Each and every data we can correct and show display the updated data. That's all our project. Thank you.
I'm going to explain about the future uses. We can develop this into an application which features us to use this at whenever and wherever from the world. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.